Well, I hope everyone is doing fine. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020, and today's video is going to be on dancehall artist Denyque. For those who don't know Denyque or probably don't remember who she is, she did songs like Don't You Know, Proud Wifey, Make Me Believe in You, Supergirl, and I think she even did a collab song with Vibes Cartel. And she's even a brand ambassador of the water lifespan. But today on her Instagram, she shared our birth experience with her second child, and that's her daughter Drew, on what happened on March 9th of 2020. All right, so I'm gonna read what she says. And it reads, 4 Mondays ago on March 9, 2020, my daughter drew her first breath and I almost took my last. Placenta accreta, when the placenta embeds itself into the uterus wall. I lost 4.8 liters of blood. What was supposed to be a regular C-section quickly turned into a cesarean hysterectomy. In order to save my life, my uterus/womb had to be removed. Through it all, though, I felt safe. Raphael, I felt protected. Michael, I felt impeccably calm. Uriel, God, I had the dream team in that OR and I trust them with every moving moment. I remember hearing Dennis, best anesthesiologist ever, repeatedly saying, "She's a champ. She's got this." I remember I was still laughing, having conversation, till they brought Kareem in the room and I burst into tears the minute I saw him. Clearly, my kryptonite. I can't remember everyone's name, but massive love to Dr. Fig, Jamie, Dennis, Brittany, Cyrus, Roxanne, all the resident, any other doctor I miss, all the nurses squad, my OBG Darl, a resounding thank you so effing much and God bless y'all forever. They say last Monday was International Doctors Day, but we celebrate y'all every day. Gratitude on 1 million. I never share my personal experience in a public space, but I felt moved to do this. This was God, the universe in motion, and I am so thankful to be here today, to continue to share his space with you, to have my incredible husband, my 2 children, my unbreakable family, and the greatest friend. Would you believe that just hours before my mentors, and she tagged 2 people, prayed Psalms 23 over me? Whew, God. Heroes help me officially welcome our daughter. Hashtag my girl, Dylan Drew Mullins, 3920, 8 pound, 5 ounces, and 19 inch. So once again, congratulations to the Mullins family, which is Denyque and her husband, and the new addition to their family, which is their daughter Drew. And thank you for sharing your story, because a lot of women experience this, and some just needed to hear that you can still, go on. And glad that she pushed through. So that completes it for today's story. All right.